Exposing the secret to growing your wealth with K9 investments. Let's unravel commodities trading. Commodities trading is simpler than you think. It's all about buying and selling raw materials like gold, oil, or even coffee beans. Yep, those are commodities. Think of it like this. You're trading the stuff we use every day. Commodities are split into two main categories, hard and soft. Hard commodities include natural resources like metals and energy. That's your gold, silver, and oil. Soft commodities are agricultural products like wheat, coffee, and sugar. Why trade them? They're essential and always in demand. Prices can go up or down based on supply and demand, weather, and global events. And here's the best part. With K9 Investments, you get expert guidance to navigate this exciting market. So what are you waiting for? Join K9 Investments today and start your journey into commodities trading. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.